Okay, just a quick video here to show you the setup of the GoPro mount. You can see the GoPro mount there, and it is solid as, I'm telling you, that is like, it feels like it's part of the window. It's that solid. That is never coming off. Shaking the car. Nice adjustability and everything, and not too happy with that bit though, because it's not gripping past the lip there, as I pointed out in my other video. But you know, it's going to be right for now. The test will be when I take it out on the road and see if this actually comes off. It's a lot better than the original Garmin suction cup, which always falls off, so it's worth a go. And since I'm filming with my iPhone 7, I can't show you the iPhone 7 in there, but you can see there it's not going to affect the video recording at all. It's going to sit in there nicely, and that actually grips really well with the Manfrotto mount. So there we go, guys, and it is a lot easier to take on and off. And you can see there, you just push the button and lock it, and not like the quad lock one, which I couldn't turn properly. And you can see there, even without the lock, it's really hard to get off. Like, you got to put your fingers underneath to get it off, and then put him back on, lock it in position, and it is solid, just like everything GoPro. Okay guys, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you next time. Bye.